If you're watching this right now, you're probably tired, maybe mentally drained, and maybe physically exhausted. And if we were being honest, maybe just done for the day. The idea of jumping, sweating, or doing floor workouts sounds like punishment, doesn't it? And that's exactly why most people skip exercise at night. But this is the best thing to happen to you today. My name is Natasha, Mohan, and I work with people who don't want extreme routines. They want realistic changes that actually fit into their daily life. Not something dramatic for 3 days, something they can repeat consistently. And let me ask you something honestly. When you wear fitted clothes, do you keep pulling on your stomach and your clothes automatically? Yes or no? I really do want to know. Come on, tell me now. And the moment you relax, it pushes back out. If that's you, don't feel embarrassed. That doesn't mean that you're failing. It actually means that your core is not staying naturally engaged. You're holding it in manually instead of training it to stay firm automatically on its own. And tonight we are going to switch that pattern. As you know, I'm not well and I do have a hoarse throat. And if you want to see me back in form again, then please write "get well soon" in the comments section. That's all I need is your good wishes. And as you all know, we are not doing crunches, we are not doing jumping, we are not going to the floor. We are going to sit against the edge of our bed and activate your midsection in a way that feels simple but works when repeated. So my darling friends, I'm starting with my most favorite exercise. For that, again, you have to sit against the bed like this, but you have to keep your legs absolutely straight. Your shoulders should be relaxed and your core should also be relaxed. You don't have to push yourself in like this and be very uncomfortable breathing. Just keep your breathing normal and just put your hands against your body like this. And we're going to lift our legs, then again back. This is the first position, and then you have to stretch it like this. Then again back, and then we stretch it like this. So it's such a simple and easy movement, absolutely targeting your belly area, which is the midsection, problem area for many. Let's do this together. 1 and back. And back. 2, 3 and back. 2, 3 and back. 2, 3 and back. 1, 2, 3 and back. Now we are going to hold it in this position for some time, and now we are going to tighten our midsection like this. We just have to do this for a minute, and that's it. For the next exercise, again, we're going to sit against the bed and we're going to flap our legs like this. In slow, easy and controlled movements. This will be directly affecting your lower belly area, which is a big cause of concern for so many of you. So my dear friends, you're doing so well. Please don't give up just yet. Just a minute more from you and that's it. You're surely going to feel the burn. You'll feel amazing after doing these exercises. Well done, so proud of you. Now moving on with the next exercise I'm going to show you is really simple. Make circles with your leg. We are going to right leg for at least 30 seconds and then the left leg. Just small circles. Now I'm going to show you with the next leg, which is the left leg. Very good, amazing. I'm so proud of you. Well done. If you have enjoyed watching today's video, then don't forget to give it a like, a share and a subscribe to this very channel. Every week I bring to you without fail, even if I'm not feeling well. As you can see, I'm still shooting a video for all of you because this is my commitment and my dedication towards you. What is your commitment? All I ask for you is to join the community, so help build a healthy community together. You just have to subscribe to this channel and I will bring to you every week new improved exercise regimes which you can follow in the comfort of your own home and which are completely beginner friendly. Besides this, if you're looking to join a paid weight loss transformation program, then please click on the link given below in the description and you can join my paid program, on which you are given the facility of a doctor, an Ayurvedic doctor, which is a completely natural science, zero side effects, along with a dietitian who's going to be your counselor throughout the journey, and a health coach. All three come together to make sure that you do achieve your transformation results and I will be supervising all of them together. So I bring you on board by just clicking on the link given below. You can get in touch with me. And if you have any further inquiries, do let me know in the comment section below. And also the exercise I taught you today should be done at least ideally half an hour before you go to bed and 2 hours after you've had your dinner, which is an ideal combination. Now let me know in the comment section, what exactly do you eat for dinner every night? I would like to know. There are times when most of you actually feel heavy just after your dinner. Maybe you've had an extra indulgent dinner. So what you're supposed to do is about 1 hour later you've had your dinner, you're supposed to have bay leaf tea. You're supposed to take 1 leaf of bay leaf and you're supposed to boil it in about 100 to 200 ml water for at least till it reduces to half, and then sip it warm. You can strain the water and enjoy the bay leaf tea. It will help debloat and make you feel lighter just before you go to bed. This was my trip and technique for you. If you join my paid weight loss program, then you're sure to get so many more home remedies for you, especially that you can enjoy. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.